So, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to RN Talks live over here. And today we have the third batch of our, rather the middle batch, which has been taken up on as the part three of our interview session with Children's Day Special. So, our winners of Children's Day Special was Harleen Kaur, Rachit Katpalia, and Sukhmani Trehan. So all the three children are here with me on the show tonight, and one by one, I'm going to be getting them onto our show, and then we are going to have a like chit chat, which there won't be anything official about it, but the people who are listening to them, the children who will be seeing them, are going to learn a lot about the techniques that they have used that help them bag the first, second, and third position. So, it so happens that we learn by our mistakes, but we also learn through others' mistakes as well as their experiences. So, that is the reason we are having this interview to share with you their success mantras, right? So, here comes on to the screen. The first to join us is Harleen Kaur. She'll be joining us again. Yes, Harleen is there. Good evening, Harleen.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, and coming on second is Rachit Katpalia. He is going to be joining us. Good evening, Rachit.
Good evening, ma'am.
And third on show is Sukhmani Trehan. So that's Sukhmani Trehan. So these are good evening, beta. And for the audience, these three are the star performers. And now I'm going to ask them to introduce themselves one by one. So, beta, Harleen, first you introduce yourself. After that, Rachit will introduce himself. And after that, Sukhmani, I want you to introduce yourself to the public who's watching you over there. Right? So, we start with Harleen Kaur. Yes, beta.
Oh, yes, I am Harleen Kaur and I am 14 years old. I study in Mariampur Senior Secondary School, Kanpur. I like to share my views with people in about different topics, motivate them and inspire them with my thoughts.
Okay, great. And Rachit, what
Yeah.
about you?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to congratulate the other two winners as they are deserving. And I'm Rachit Katpalia from Chenab Public School, Alwar. And I love to speak and interact with the people. So, yeah, that's just with what got me here.
Great, great. Good to hear that. And what about you?
Hi, this is Sukhmani Trehan, and I'm a student of Cambridge International School for Girls. I am 14 years old, and I am very new to this motivational speaking and all. I have never tried this before, and this was my first attempt, and it means a lot to me that I'm the third winner. And thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity.
You are there because you deserve it. And okay, I accept the thanks for the opportunity because we are here at RN Talks to give platform to all the children all over India and even NRIs over outside who want a platform, but school has a very restricted platform. It's not that school is not offering you everything, but then school की अपनी limitations होती हैं और हमारे platform का अपना limit कोई limitation नहीं होता. Like we are open for all. School has its limitation and it can't help it. It's bound by those. So that is why we keep on holding these kind of contests. Now, Sukhmani, you're from Cambridge International. Which place better?
Ma'am, Urban State Phase 2, that girls branch.
Where? Which state?
Ma'am, Urban State, Jalandhar only.
Jalandhar. Okay, that is what I wanted to hear. So we have one child from Kanpur, if I am not wrong, one from Alwar and the other from Jalandhar. So that should tell our viewers how nationalistic we are. We try to cover up children from all states and from wherever the child can come and join us. Now, basically I'm going to start off with a few things like better our topic was, all of you know, our topic was to err is human and to forgive is divine, right? So what happens is, as we move on in our life, as we all are 14, 15, and 16 years of age, I think in the same age group, right? So, but what happens is, as we are growing, we do, like, दोस्तों के साथ थोड़ा अनबन हो जाती है हमारी, या ब्रदर्स के साथ हो जाती है, लड़ाई हो जाती है, ये कजिन्स हार के होते हैं किसी चीज पे। जरूरी नहीं है ना कि हम जो करें उसको पसंद आए और वो हर चीज जो करे वो हमें पसंद आए। It's not necessary. So, have you, any one of you, I'll be bringing this question to all of you. Have any one of you like faced this position where you have actually practiced the topic? Like, or you have all made mistakes somewhere, but you have been forgiven by somebody for making a mistake. How did it make you feel? Or if you were in a position who had forgiven somebody in any who had made a mistake, and then your friends again, and you more moved on in your life, then how does it make you feel? Right. So we start from Harleen. Harleen, आप बताइए.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes it happens when you are hurted and someone is saying that more cruel words which hurt you from the heart. So sometimes it happens, but I was not able to forgive because in this type of age, in teenage, it is not easy to forgive someone when your heart is like. So I thought that I should not forgive, but when I experienced, I was getting stressed that like if I will not forgive, then so I decided then why to keep stress on mind? I will damage my personality if I will keep that in my mind. So there will be some frustration. So I decided why not to forgive. And after forgiving my friend, I just really feel relaxed because it was too relaxing that now all that burden on my mind is just gone.
Good. Thank you, Harleen, for sharing. What about you, Rachit? Have you ever been in a situation where you were forgiven or you had to forgive? Either way.
If I talk of being forgiven, so it would be on the daily basis. If we take the example of our parents, they are always forgiving us for our little mistakes. And if I talk about forgiving someone else, then maybe I would like to talk about my best friend. Sometimes when we play, it's just part of the play that we lose or we win. So
Yeah.
if we win, the other one gets annoyed. So like that only, my best friend got annoyed and just he used some cruel words. But later on, I just sorted out because we were just best friends. I was not able to really sleep when I fought with him. So yeah, it was.
So you valued your relationship more than the fight. So hence you decided
Yeah.
ki whatever has been, bygones are bygones, and you decided to move on with life and stay with them
Yes.
because your relationship was more valuable to you, right?
Yes. Yes.
That's also there with Harleen. So Sukhmani beta, what about you? I can't hear you, Sukhmani.
Not any case of mine, but my mother once told me that she and her friend had a fight together and they didn't talk to each other for a long time just because of their ego.
Yeah.
And they said, and they ruined their friendship just because of some fight. And it really, came, it doesn't came to any good end. And if my mother today also regrets that if she would have forgiven her friend, then maybe the friendship lasted till now also.
Yeah, but it's never too late to forgive. You can always try to contact. Nowadays, I think the techno media and the Facebook, has brought people closer as well as it has made people drift apart. Now we are more, how should I say? We are more in sync with people's faces than with their emotions. We are on सोशल मीडिया, दैट इज व्हाट आई पर्सनली थिंक। हम लोग लोगों की शक्लों के ऊपर ज्यादा जाते हैं, प्रोफाइल लाइक्स ज्यादा देखते हैं, सेल्फीज ज्यादा खींचते हैं, लिटिल वी आर गोइंग इनटू नार्सिसिज्म, बट एंड दैट इमोशनल डिस्कनेक्ट इज देयर, but then there are so many positive points also of using the internet. So like, you know, you people are the future of our nation, and I think अब जो कोविड में हो रहा है, and the way we are all using, like I am also using internet to connect to you, so we can really do positive things with these things. Facebook पे ही है और internet भी use कर रहे हैं, and we are sending out a positive message to people who are watching us. So I think we can be, like, you know, connect with people over here. Sukhmani just popped out by mistake. I think some signal problem on her side, but she'll be back with us, no problem. Okay, till then, beta, I want you to know what actually, like you have told me before that you like conveying, right? Your message to people. So that is why you are here. So I would also like to ask you what actually, like, you know, made you become a public speaker, because public speaking is an art and it is a learnable art. It's a learnable skill. So you have to groom yourself. So I just want to ask, what got you into it? Like, you know, what made it click inside you कि मुझे ये करना है? Arlene?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, I would say this was my actually first time when I participated, and I didn't thought that I will do, and I was just informed 3 days back the deadline of sending videos, so I was not so much well prepared. But I just did, like, I gave myself confidence that yes, I can do it, and then I did it. And for this, whenever I see some videos in Facebook or YouTube about people speaking, then something inspires me that yes, I should also convey my views to people. And I would like to thank my sister a lot. She gives me so much confidence, supports me every time, and she tells me that how to bring out such expressions that your words can touch the heart of people. So I would like to thank her a lot, a lot.
Great, great, great. That's very great. Rachit, what about you, beta? How did you come into this line?
I think I was really talkative from the starting, so I love to interact with people and talk and talk. Just I wanted to do this, so I think my family also played a major role in this, as they always motivated me to participate in such competitions, and this made me come here. So and I just wanted to convey my views, and I just wanted to put my views in front of other people. So yes, and also school plays a major role, as if they host many competitions, and if you participate in them, you'll definitely build confidence. And you just need one competition to build your confidence, as it boosts up your confidence level. When you are once you are praised, you just get an appreciation from someone, you'll just build up a lots of confidence.
Very true. School plays a major role, and even one win and one word of appreciation takes you a very long way in boosting your confidence and giving it a try a second time. So, Sukhmani, beta, you just dropped out because of the internet connection. का आपका screen थोड़ा सा हिल गया है. You are tilted, like, now it's okay, fine. Yeah. So, what I had asked them was what actually got them into public speaking. What was the trigger that you came into public speaking? So can you just kind of throw light on that?
Yes, ma'am. It was really new to me. I've never tried it before, as I mentioned earlier. But just because that I realized that we shouldn't stop our mind to speak anything. We shouldn't stop ourselves to speak anything, to tell anyone whatever it comes, whatever it goes. We should just put our views. We should give, we should give our opinions. We should not stop from giving our opinions.
Right. So that's very good. Like, you know, what happens generally is if we don't voice our opinions, if we don't speak out, then what happens at certain times we get a feeling of frustration that we are not able to speak out. But these platforms, I think, they give you ample of different topics to explore, and thus kind of you are able to project your views in front of the people. So it is a very powerful tool of communication in case you didn't realize and you came into it unknowingly also. Public speaking, art of public speaking will take you a very long way if you, because once you are able to communicate to the person in front of you, then what happens is that half the work is already done. So this will help you in good, keep you in good state when you go on onto school platforms like debate or in a classroom, or tomorrow if you go for job or college interviews. You know, this art of communication, this art of public speaking will take you a long way. It's going to help you a lot later on. So anyway, moving on from public speaking, I just want to come down to a little personal interest. Like you are all between 14 to 16 age, and at my age also, I have few hobbies and things that I still like to do what I used to do as a child, like coin collection, stamp collection, and there are other ones, a little weird habits, like hobbies I have, but yeah, they are there. So I would like to know what are your hobbies? Starting from Harleen first to you, I'll come back to you again. What are the hobbies that actually relax you and puts you in a chill mode, when you are kind of getting stressed out? So what are the hobbies that you normally use to chill or relax or de-stress yourself?
Yes. Ma'am, my first hobby is this only public speaking, listening to the other speakers because they have a lot of experience, and then practicing myself also in front of mirror so that I can know that how can I speak, how can I relate myself into it. So this is my one of my hobby, and recitation, storytelling, poem. This all I like, and then listening soothing music. This is also one of my hobby because it soothes you from inside. So this much I like.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Rachit? What about
Yeah, speaking is definitely one of them, and I just love to play cricket. And so I love theater, and something which is really important for the future, as I think, is that is coding. So I love to do that in my free time. So yes, and maybe sometime I play drums and all that.
okay. Coding is one thing because I am a blogger and I really run into problems with coding. And when I have to buy themes, I prefer to buy themes where the coding has already been done and they're very user friendly rather than get into coding and keep on working on the coding, because वो HTML codes मेरे तो समझ के बाहर है, and at this age I can't learn it. So I prefer to go easy and buy themes and plugins जिसमें coding is easy bet, and coming on to 2020, I think अभी 2020 का season गया है and you must have then really enjoyed, huh? Cricket गया है and अच्छा, coming to cricket, कौन सा वाला आपको अच्छा लगता है? 2020 or 1 day or a 5 day?
No, test is really boring. So yeah, T20Is and ODIs are best, I think.
ODIs are best. And while we are in the topic, any favorite?
Yeah, it's definitely the one. I think everyone wants that. It is Virat Kohli. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Great. Now we come down to Sukhmani beta. What are your hobbies that help you de-stress and chill out?
My hobbies are dancing, singing, listening music, which really relax me and it feels so good. And I'm over passionate about dance, and it's my line, it's my field. I dance a lot.
Oh, great. Then you just missed out on a contest. We just finished off with Creative Quest and we had dancing over there. In fact, we had contemporary dance, classical dance, all forms of dance. and music also was there, vocal, instrumental. So ये आपने miss कर दिया. Anyway, it's going to come on next year, so you can, and you must show your talent over there. And like and just for the children, like we will be coming on again with other contests also, like story writing and things which are going to like help you be more creative. So do stay tuned in, and if you like any one of those, do take part, or you can spread the word around. Now, if we just come down to public speaking, since this was a public speaking workshop, so can you just tell me, like, what do you personally think were your strong points, or should be the strong point of any public speaker? Like, let me make it more simple. How do you think a public speaker can make his or her speaking more assertive or more confident? So, what are the points or skills you think a public speaker who is speaking, a speaker rather, who's speaking on a public speaking platform, कौन से key areas को उसको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए, and what should he actually work upon? What skills should he enhance over here? We start from you, Harleen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, firstly, I would like to say that the person should overcome fear and shyness. Because if you overcome these two, then your path is clear. You will definitely do it. But if you are lacking in putting control on them, then you have to work a lot on it.
Okay.
So this one I should say, and the second one is mirror practice. The third is your voice modulation, and that is very important because where you have to put pauses, that also we have to pay a lot of attention to it, and vocabulary at the same time is very necessary.
Yeah. And one more thing, अच्छा चलो वो मैं last में add करूँगी. आप बताओ रचित, what about you?
Yeah, I think every technicality she has explained, but I think confidence is the most important thing if you want to be a public speaker. You just need to be confident within yourself that you can interact with people, and to write your speech. If we come to the written part, then you should just research and research. The more you research, you will get more content, and for improving your accent, you just need to practice it again and again, and be confident. Yes, that's all.
Yeah, and Sukhmani, what about you, dear?
I totally agree with him that confidence is the thing, and when you overcome your shyness, and I also agree with Harleen, you have to overcome your shyness and your fear to come up and speak, and your thoughts should be different from all.
Yeah.
There should be something that makes you different from others. Every public speaker makes sure that he has different thoughts, different content, and different ideas, which makes him different and lets him go.
Okay. And one more few things that I like got you where you are today is when you speak, you should speak from your heart. दिल से बोलोगे ना किसी चीज को फील करके, it makes a lot of difference. But when you are just trying to speak something जो आपने रट्टा है, so वो emotive जो फील है ना, जो आपकी ऑडियंस के साथ एक इमोशनल कनेक्ट होता है, वो नहीं हो पाता. So that is also one place where, like when you are on a platform of public speaking, it does make a difference. And the second thing is, another thing is your posture. Say if you are very slumped and ढीला हो, and posture ठीक नहीं है, so it sends out a very negative message. And when you are in full control of your, and you are standing in a correct posture, that itself gives out a lot of confidence. You feel confident, and it gives out a better, like you're very poised in front of the camera. So वो camera's shyness आपको आएगी नहीं. एंड कैमरा शाइनेस आई थिंक जहां तक हमारे जो वॉच कर रहे हैं या आगे भी हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे और वॉच करेंगे, कैमरा साइनेज निकालने का एक ही तरीका है जहां आप सेल्फीज खींचते हैं, अपनी सेल्फी वीडियोस बनाइए, देखिए, अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करिए और फेंक दीजिए उसको, और प्रैक्टिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर, दैट विल रिमूव योर कैमरा शाइनेस. नाउ
Ma'am, I would like to add one more point.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो.
Ma'am, I want to say that a main skill of public speaker is that whatever he or she is speaking, that should be applied on him or her. Because when we can apply it on our life, then we can relate it to our personality, and then we are able to make people understand more clearly, and we will definitely touch their hearts with our words.
Very true. Very true. So tell me one thing, like when you face the camera, वो पेट में butterflies आती हैं, या somebody has sweaty palms, or like मुंह सूख जाता है, गला सूख जाता है, एकदम से प्यास लगाती है, या आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स किसी को हेडेक होने लगता है. So do you also have those stomach butterflies and tiny panic attacks? पता नहीं कैसे जाएगा, गलती कर दी तो क्या होएगा? And do you also like kind of feel this? It's not very easy to go in front of camera and go national online. That's why I'm asking you. बताओ, हरलीन, आप बताओ.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It definitely occurs with me. Actually, this was my first time, as I mentioned before. But I tried to overcome my fear, but that shyness and fear always remain inside me. But I tried to overcome that, so I do it by practicing it again and again. But this always occurs with me. You are saying butterflies, it occurs in my stomach like tadpoles. So, ma'am, it is normal with.
Yeah, I think that was very honest, and I really like that. I really like it, because when I come on for a show with you people, I also like start my preparations an hour back. Like I get everything ready so that last minute गड़बड़ ना हो. कभी कभी इंटरनेट की हो जाती है, but then that is not in my control. That is okay, but I should come prepared. Like that is what I think. Rachit, what about you?
Actually, now I don't have any butterflies in my stomach because it just occurs when you just first do it, and but after you just practice it and interact with people more and more and participate in more and more competitions, you'll definitely be confident within yourself, and you'll just speak it out and just express your views very openly, and it would give you, yeah.
Yeah, Sukhmani, I think, is again experiencing some problems over there because she is not visible to me. I am seeing over here. नहीं आ पा रही है. Sukhmani, beta, if you can join back, please do join back. We really are waiting for you. In that meantime, while she joins back, tell me exactly how much time did it take for you to prepare for this particular public speaking contest?
Ma'am, approximately half an hour to learn the matter.
Okay.
And then when I practiced, it took me 3-4 times to make an appropriate video. Because as I mentioned before, this was my first time, so I wasn't knowing much about it. So I was not so confident.
That's okay. Because when you are going on a platform like this, then I think that you should always give it your best shot. And if you do not like what you have made, then do it again. Because once it goes on air, then you cannot make any differences. And then there is no point saying, काश मैं ये कर लेती तो कितना अच्छा होता, काश मैं वो कर लेती. तो काश को निकाल दो, and till you are not satisfied, don't post it. That is what I say. And once you are satisfied, then go ahead. So if you have to make it, it's perfectly fine. अच्छा है. And I really like the way you're very honest about it. Thank you so much. Rachit, what about you, beta? How much time did it take you to prepare?
I think I get to know about the competition just 5 days before. So it took me 3 days to write the content actually, because I think the the major part in this is the content.
Yeah.
Yeah, so then it took me one day to revise it and practice it. Then the last day I just got to record the video, but it took me so long to record the video, as recording in front of a camera and speaking in front of people is completely a different experience. So
Yeah.
my brother also got irritated that you are just making me play and stop again and again. So yeah.
No, but you spoke very confidently and your content was also very good. I really like that part of the content where you said, like, we as children make so many mistakes, but it doesn't take our parents more than 2 minutes to forgive us. So when they can forgive and keep on forgiving so many of our mistakes as long as they live, then why is it so difficult for us to forgive somebody else's mistake? That
Yes.
was a very, very valid point, and I think if we just keep that in mind, I think it would be very easy for us to forgive anybody. Like, जितना I think
Yes.
हम अपने माँ बाप को तंग करते हैं, कोई नहीं कर सकता है as children. At this age also, sometimes I also make mistakes, and I also have parents, and they also forgive me for my mistakes. So I think being a parent is a very different experience. And when as a child you realize that your parents are forgiving you, it will make you a better human being आगे जाके.
Yes.
So, Sukhmani beta, you had missed out one question while we were talking about butterflies in the stomach. जब तक आपका बारी आया, कैमरा आपकी तरफ से disconnect हो गया था. So I'll put the same question back to you. Do you get those nervous butterflies in the stomach when you are going online?
Yes, ma'am, it happens. And it's happening now also.
आज का तो बेटा बिल्कुल बंद है because so many times disconnect हुआ है. And but let me tell you, every time you've come back, you have come back in a very composed manner. So I don't think it's very easy for anybody. It will be to ruffle your feathers. You're a very cool, calm, and a composed girl, and that's one thing that it speaks in itself about your character. You know how to keep your cool. It's obviously reflecting. Maybe your hands must be shaking, I don't know, but you are on the exterior side, you are coming across a pretty cool person, and that's very good. So on public speaking platform, जहाँ पे ऐसी
In
technical
school, I have never spoken anywhere out, but in school, it happens sometimes. I get those butterflies, those that shaking and all. It happens many times, but then I have to cool myself. Sukmani, it's okay. You can speak. You don't have to now fumble or something. Just speak.
So, and let me tell you one thing. See, when we are online or we are on stage, गलती हो सकती है, ठीक है? We are human. The art lies in उस गलती को हम कैसे घुमा के सीधा कर देते हैं कि सामने वाले को पता भी नहीं लगने देते कि गलती हुई है. Remember always that you know that you have made a mistake. The audience does not know that you have made a mistake till the time you express it to them that you have made a mistake. समझ में? ऑडियंस इग्नोरेंट है, जो आप दोगे वो एक्सेप्ट करेगी. सो अगर आप उनको एक डरा हुआ चेहरा दिखाओगे, ओ नो, हो गई गलती मेरे से, ऑडियंस को पता लग जाएगा हो गई गलती इससे. पर अगर आप उसी गलती को फटाक से आप ठीक कर देते हो एंड यू जस्ट वर्क अपॉन इट विद योर प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड, ऑडियंस को लगेगा ओ इट वाज जस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द गेम, लाइक इसका स्क्रिप्ट का हिस्सा था. So that is how you manipulate your audience. It is in your hand. So that is one art. इसको थोड़ा सा जब अगली बार कभी जाते हो, not that you've made any mistake over here, none of you have done it, but like आज नहीं हुआ तो कल नहीं होगा, इसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं होती. So इतना याद रखो कि सामने वाले को तब तक नहीं पता लगेगा कि आपने गलती की है जब तक आप उसको नहीं बताओगे कि आपने गलती की. So keep this in mind. से सुखमनी आज बेचारी I think उसका काफी दिन खराब जा रहा है. So before I just back off, I want her to join with us. So anyway, how was otherwise your overall experience आप दोनों का? Till she turns back, we can just chat a little about that. Harleen and Rachit, या आप दोनों इकट्ठे भी बोल सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
It was awesome. Mom, actually, I didn't imagine I was not doing about it. But I think RN Talks has provided a great opportunity to bring out talents of children on this special occasion. So it was a very nice experience.
रचित आपका बेटा?
Yes, I definitely agree with her. Actually, I'm just looking for more and more competitions, and especially my mom, she's always into it that you have to participate in this one. So yes, RN Talks really promoted me to. Yes, and I came second. That was really an honor for me. I didn't just thought that I would come second. And
Chalo, good that you are here with us. Sukhmani is also joined. So Sukhmani, you had heard this third question जो मैंने दिया था कि how much time did it take for you to prepare for your this competition?
I took 2 days to prepare for it, and I got the content, I practiced for it, and I had made videos for a very long time. I took a very long time. I took the whole day to make videos only.
Okay, how
And
many videos did you throw in the bin?
I don't remember really, but I guess there were more than 10.
Okay, great. Great. मेरे साथ भी होता है, don't worry. If it doesn't come perfectly, अभी तो I'm working with the tripod. Normally, I make my daughter as a tripod, and that's what I used to do. As you tell, पकड़ के रखो वीडियो, हाथ नहीं हिलना चाहिए तुम्हारा. पंगा बंद कर दो. Yeah, like just if my way of expression, then I tell her, okay, hold it, pause कर दो. अच्छा नहीं, ये ठीक नहीं आया, इसको निकाल दो, दोबारा से shoot करो. And finally, she used to get so irritated with me that she's like, "Mama, एक बार में खत्म करो ना, मेरे को सारी काम करने, हमने पढ़ाई भी करनी है, time waste कर रहे हो मेरा." So like it does happen with everybody because we are humans. We will be making these mistakes. We all go through that. So thank you so much. Before Sukhmani's signal trips again, I will quickly take this opportunity to thank all of you for being with us on RN Talks today. And thank you so much, beta. Harleen, she came first. Rachit came second, and Sukhmani came third, just for people who joined us late. So thank you very much, all three of you, for taking out time, because मुझे पता है यहाँ से आप लोग सीधे पढ़ाई करने के लिए भागोगे, खाना खाओगे और फिर पढ़ाई करना शुरू कर दोगे. So thank you for being there with us, and good night for today, and I hope to see you again sometime in our next contest over here. Right?
yes, definitely.
Thank you so much,
Chalo.
ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. मम्मी ने आज चीज खत्म हो गया. I'm just kind of like you before something goes wrong. Yeah, and now thank you everybody who've been watching us over here. That was our show for tonight with the children of the part 3 of our Children's Day special. So we conclude our interviews in the part 3 session, and we will be coming back with lots and lots of contests and other motivational lectures for you all. Do keep tuned in, and thank you for watching and taking out time with us. Stay home and stay safe. COVID is on the rise again. So just one tip before I leave over here, rather than depending too much on medicines, which also have lots of side effects, I would advise you drink lots and lots of hot water, do gargles, and take hot tea. दूध वाली चाय पीने को मन नहीं करता, मत पीजिए. I just have the organic teas over there. Take green tea, but consume tea at least 4 times a day in hot water, or do gargle before you go to bed. That is very necessary, because दिन में हम क्या करते हैं, when we are talking, walking, whatever we are doing, so बैक्टीरिया एक तरीके से ना अदर से हमारे गले से निकल ही जाता, but when we are sleeping it kind of like manifests itself in our throat and then eventually goes down in our lungs. So take care of your health. Don't go out in the crowd a lot, and we care about you. So stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.